Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide photos in gallery on iPhone 16 Pro. To hide photos in gallery, go to Photos app, then choose a photo you want to hide. I'm gonna hide this one, and then to hide it, click on three dots in top right corner and tap on hide, then tap on hide photo, and now it's hidden. To find it, go find hidden photos album. So it's gonna be in utilities here. Here are the hidden photos. If you have Face ID or passcode set up, you'll be prompted to enter the Face ID or the passcode, and then you'll access it. You can also hide the hidden album. To hide the hidden album, so it will not show here, go to Settings app on your iPhone, then go to Apps and find Photos app. Then show hidden album, and when you disable it, then in utilities you can see there's no hidden photos now. And to enable them back again, you need to enable show hidden album in settings. And now it's back here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.